Guys, hey guys, we are about to walk this hill. I have my two girls, my niecey Pooh and my nephew up there, and we are going to walk this hill. Look at that house, that cabin. I'm already tired, y'all.
This is where we basically were, like. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We was like basically right here going up the hill.
Are these the pine needles?
We was like basically going up the hill, so.
Y'all, I am tired. My niece is not. She a track star. But that hill is no joke. There's a car coming. Let's get over here. That hill is no joke, y'all. But we did it. The other kids, they're looking over there. Oh, you can't see them because of the sun. They're looking to see what's down there before we go back down this hill, y'all. And this hill.
Next step where they at.
Huh?
You want to come.
So, let me show y'all how the hill look from the top. There's other cabins up here too. They're really nice cabins. But, there's Chunky. Are you tired from the hill?
Yes, but I'm so
And my legs and everything burning, y'all. This is no joke.
Guys,
Dang, you can't even really see. Let me turn it around. Okay,
see the
y'all.
rest of the road.
Y'all can't really see.
It looks kind of
We gotta go down some more. Oh, well, you can see how the road goes down right there.
Hold on. I said that I was going to do something.
Don't hurt yourself.
That's what I said.
It's declining too much. Don't do that. But I'm trying to get to.
Coming too fast. That ain't the kids gonna see no bike.
Okay, go. Get in there. Get it out. You shouldn't start burning. You gotta flip that thing. You gotta be a SpongeBob with that. Okay, yours good. I know mine. You don't want to get burnt. I don't want mine to burn my toes.
Oh, Trey.
Mama, that's smoky.
Put your hand down.
Hey, individual people.
Ooh,
Mama, my eyes are... It's going to your camera.
mine too.
I'm going to get on that side where the song ain't going that way.
Ooh, that burns. Woo.
Who has a speaker? What happened to the speaker? Oh, and then the internet don't work down here no more.
People got phones, who got
Special place.